Hi, this is Veeti from thesaunaheater.com.
And I'm Jessie with Bathing Brands.
So today we are going to talk to you about 3 different Auroom saunas. So these are premium indoor sauna kits that you can get from us at thesaunaheater.com. What do we have here first? This is for maybe one person, right?
Yes, this room is for one person. This is the Cala Mini. This is a DIY kit. This can be built by 2 people in about 3 to 4 hours. It is made of Aspen and it also comes with the dimmable LED lighting.
And this needs a super small sauna heater, right?
Yes, this uses a 2.2 kilowatt.
Yeah, so it's the Americ Junior 2.2 kW, so that is the only sauna heater that you can get with such a small sauna kit. As you can see, there is not much space to put your sauna heater into, but one person can fit into it very comfortably. Should you demonstrate for us, Jessie?
Absolutely.
So as you can see, this is definitely a one-person sauna experience. But yeah, one can fit in there pretty comfortably. And this is indoor sauna. As said, you can put it to your garage, maybe to your bathroom, so it doesn't take too much space. How high is that?
So this is 80.7 inches tall, and the small dimensions make it easy to fit into any space inside your home.
Okay, perfect. Then we have the Auroom Cala glass, and this is available in 3 different sizes. Let me read those for you. So it's available in 59 inches deep to 59 inches wide, 59 inches deep to 71 inches wide, and 59 inches deep to 79 inches wide. So it's either 2, 3 or 4 person sauna. And this is the biggest Auroom Cala glass that we have in there. So this is also a DIY capping kit, and depending on which configuration you can get either 4, 6 or 8 kW or 9 kW sauna heater with the Auroom Cala glass. So this also, as all Auroom saunas, comes with dimmable dotless lights that can be controlled with the handheld remote control. Turn on and off or dim them from the control or through an app on your phone in case you have a Wi-Fi connection in the area where you are going to place your sauna into. And something we forgot to mention about the Cala Mini is that this is available in this kind of light color, or then it's available in Thermo Aspen, so this exact color. And lastly, we have the 2-person Auroom Baia, which is also a DIY sauna kit available in Thermo Aspen. Just this version is the Thermo Aspen, and then we also have the natural Aspen that is a little bit lighter color. So this can fit in 2 persons as well. And what kind of sauna heater would you put in there, Jessie?
We would use a 4.5 kilowatt to 6 kilowatt heater in this room.
Okay, and what are some of your heater recommendations for the Baia?
Yeah, so for this room, we would recommend the KIP 60B. That has the built-in controls. If you want a little more high-tech, you can also get the KIP 60W, which is controlled with Wi-Fi from your phone.
Then something we want to mention about all of these saunas is that even though the Baia or Cala glass doesn't have the floor there, nowadays the floor is included with all of these saunas. But that doesn't take away the fact that you need to take into consideration that sauna is a hot and humid environment where you, in the optimal scenario, want to throw water onto your sauna heater, you sweat in there. So it's perfect for your garage if you have a concrete flooring there, or maybe to your bathroom or whatever, but you need to take into consideration that it's a wet space, so you can't exactly put it right next to your bed in your bedroom. This has the ergonomic bench as well, right?
Yes, so one thing we haven't mentioned yet is that this room was built for you to be comfortable. So on the inside, we have the ergonomic seating, and we also have the matching Thermo Aspen stepping bench for you to get up into the sauna comfortably. And like all Auroom saunas, this one has the dimmable LED lighting as well.
So this is how you could fit 2 people into here pretty comfortably. That's quite comfortable, right?
It is very comfortable, yes.
And your wall-mounted heater would be right here on this wall. Under the wall-mounted heater you would have the intake vent, and then you have the exhaust vent somewhere there under the benches. The last thing we want to mention is that all Auroom saunas come with the Auroom Accessory package. So you will have a bucket and ladle to throw water onto your sauna heater. Then you will have a pillow if you want to lay down in your sauna, sand timer, and
a sauna hat to protect your hair and your ears when you're sauna bathing.
Additionally, you will get a thermometer that you can use to monitor the temperature also inside of your sauna room. So whenever you're looking for a 2-person premium indoor sauna kit, Auroom Baia is something that you might want to consider. If you need more information on Auroom saunas or you want to get one to yourself, you can visit www.thesaunaheater.com for more information, pricing and everything you need to know before purchasing your own home sauna. See you there. Thank you for watching.